Okay, we are looking at a question from IIT JEE Mains 2019. The paper was held on April 8 and it was in the first shift. Okay, so this question is related to rotational motion. It is related to moment of inertia. A thin circular plate of mass m and radius r has its density varying as this formula is given: rho equal to rho naught into r, with rho naught as a constant and r is the distance from its center. The moment of inertia of the circular plate about an axis perpendicular to the plate and passing through its edge is I equal to a mr square. So find the value of the coefficient a. 4 options are given. Mark your correct answer. Okay, so let's understand the question first. So I got a disk over here whose radius is capital R. Now inside this disk I take an element, a thin element of radius r. Okay, the thickness of this element is, let's say, dr. Okay, this thickness of the element is dr. So density over here is changing linearly with r. Okay, so as I increase the value of r, the ring will have greater and greater mass. Density will also be increasing. Okay, so for this ring, first of all I need to write its area. So area of the ring dA will be what? Circumference is 2 pi r into width is dr. So mass of this ring will be how much? Density of the ring multiplied by volume. Volume will be how much? Area into thickness t. Thickness of the disk is t. So rho is given in the formula question, rho naught r. dA is what? 2 pi r dr multiplied by thickness t. So I obtain dm is equal to 2 pi rho naught t r square dr. Okay, so we found dm. So what is the total mass of the disk? Total mass of the disk will be integration dm. So that will be 2 pi rho naught into t integration r square dr. So total mass of the disk will be, you put the limit 0 to capital R, 2 pi rho naught into t r cube divided by 3. This is the total mass of the disk. Okay, so we found the total mass. Now what about the moment of inertia? So again, to find the moment of inertia I use the same ring and about an axis passing through the center of the disk and perpendicular to itself. So about this axis passing through C, moment of inertia will be what? IC will be, for the ring, for this ring, okay, for this ring I use the formula dm into r square. Dm is the mass of the ring, r is the radius. This is dic. So IC will be what? Integration r square dm. Put the value for dm over here, 2 pi rho naught t r square dr. So r square times 2 pi rho naught t r square dr. So this will be equal to 2 pi rho naught t integration r power 4 dr. Now from this formula 2 pi rho naught t is what? 3m by r cube. So this will be equal to 3m by r cube, and integration will give me, this integration will give me r power 5 divided by 5, because the limits are 0 to capital R. So IC will be what? 3 by 5 mr square. Now the question is asking moment of inertia about an axis perpendicular to the plate and passing through its edge. So I take a random point on the periphery of the disk and let's name this point as P. So about an axis passing through P and perpendicular to disk, perpendicular to your screen, the moment of inertia will be what? Moment of inertia IP will be IC plus mr square. This is the parallel axis theorem. So IC is what? 3 by 5 mr square. So 3 by 5 mr square plus mr square. So this gives you 8 by 5 mr square. This is your moment of inertia about the axis passing through P. So the correct option over here will be option D, 8 by 5.